Hindi ko kayang pumatay ng babae pati bata. Siguro yung drug lord, maybe yes, with pleasure. Kasi galit talaga ako. I am mad. Kaya sa Davao pa, wala pa ako dito. Not even the shores of Manila before. In 1988, I've been mayor for 22 years. Sinabi ko sa Lagacan na, drugs and criminality must stop. It is just simply intolerable to me. And I would do it even if it would, listen, cost me my life, my honor, and even my liberty. Wala akong gitna niyan. But it would always be in accordance with law. If it would come down to a shooting, I am sure that my orders would be followed that do not allow yourself to be killed. My God, kill the criminals and I will protect you.